Foam rolling is an essential recovery tool that can significantly enhance your fitness regimen. This technique utilizes a cylindrical foam roller to provide self-myofascial release, which can help alleviate muscle tightness and improve flexibility. Through various techniques, foam rolling can prepare your body for a workout and help it recover afterward, leading to better performance and reduced soreness. To begin your foam rolling journey, start with the basics. The quadriceps. Position the roller underneath your thighs, face down, and use your arms to support your body. Roll slowly from your hip to your knee, focusing on tight areas. This simple yet effective motion loosens up the muscles in the front of your thighs, paving the way for improved mobility. Don't rush. Spend about 30 seconds on each tight spot, breathing deeply to enable relaxation and release. Next, transition to your hamstrings. Sit on the floor with the foam roller beneath your thighs and lean back slightly. Roll slowly from your knees towards your glutes, feeling the tension decrease with each pass. This technique targets the posterior chain, which often bears the brunt of daily wear and tear. As you work through your hamstrings, notice how the tightness dissipates and the range of movement improves, an immediate reward for your effort. After your legs, it's time to focus on the back. Position yourself on the floor with a roller underneath your upper back, and support your neck with your hands. Use your feet to guide your body, rolling from the mid-back to the shoulders. This maneuver not only releases muscle tension, but also encourages better posture, a vital benefit for anyone spending long hours seated. Allow each movement to be deliberate and controlled, fostering awareness of your body's needs during recovery. Finally, don't overlook your arms. Roll over the front and back of your shoulders, focusing on any knots or tight areas. This technique enhances circulation, promotes relaxation, and prepares your upper body for subsequent workouts. Incorporating foam rolling into your routine doesn't have to be time-consuming. Even a few minutes per area can lead to noticeable benefits. Incorporate these foam rolling techniques into your recovery regimen to unlock your body's full potential. The routine enhances circulation, reduces muscle soreness, and can even improve overall performance. Embrace foam rolling as a dedicated part of your recovery strategy, and feel revitalized as you conquer new challenges. Foam rolling is an essential technique for recovery that can transform your post-workout routine. As you dive into the world of foam rolling, envision your muscles loosening and tension melting away under the pressure. This self-myofascial release method not only enhances flexibility, but also promotes blood circulation, speeding up recovery after intense workouts. Begin with a basic foam roller, a cylindrical piece of foam, usually firm yet forgiving, designed to alleviate tightness and knots in your muscles. To start, find a comfortable space and sit on the floor. Gradually roll onto the roller, placing it under your targeted muscle group. For instance, when rolling out your calves, position your lower leg on the foam roller, using your arms to support your body weight. As you gently roll back and forth, feel the release of tension with every movement. Be mindful of the pressure. It should be firm, yet not painful. Focus on areas that feel tight or sore, letting the foam roll over these spots slowly and deliberately. Next, explore various techniques to maximize the effectiveness of foam rolling. You can target your quadriceps by lying face down and placing the roller underneath your thighs. Roll from your hips to your knees, pausing on any tender spots for about 20 to 30 seconds. This technique allows for deeper penetration into the muscle fibers, working out the knots that hinder your performance. For your back, opt for a softer foam roller and roll gently from your upper back down to your lower back, arching your spine to facilitate the stretch. Always remember to breathe deeply. This will help muscle relaxation and enhance your overall experience. To incorporate foam rolling into your routine, aim for 10 to 15 minutes post-workout. You can also use it before workouts to warm up your muscles. The key is consistency. Perform foam rolling at least 3 times a week to see significant improvements in muscle recovery. With each session, as you roll out the stresses of your day or a rigorous workout, picture your body rejuvenating, preparing you for the next challenge. Embrace the comfort of foam rolling and let the benefits wash over you, propelling you towards your fitness goals with renewed vigor.